Hello friends, welcome to Mock Test channel. Hope you are doing fine. Today we are discussing most commonly asked questions in PSSR exit exam. Friends, I will not ask you to subscribe to this channel, but please make sure that you hit on the like button. The windlass is located at option A, the stern of the ship, option B, the forecastle of the ship, option C, amidships, and option D, the engine room. The correct answer is option B, the forecastle of the ship. Displacement refers to the dash. Option A, cubic capacity of a vessel. Option B, dead weight carrying of a vessel. Option C, gross tonnage of a vessel. And option D, number of long tons of water displaced by a vessel afloat. The correct answer is option D, number of long tons of water displaced by a vessel afloat. What term indicated an inward curvature of the ship's hull above the water line? Option A, camber, option B, tumble harm, and option C, dead rise, and option D, flare. The correct answer is option B, tumble harm. Compared to oil tankers, chemical tankers are option A, more complex to operate, option B, less complex to operate, option C, as large as oil tankers, and option D, capable of carrying only one grade of chemical. The correct answer is option A, more complex to operate. In the context of ship handling, what would be the definition of shallow water? Option A, water depth of less than twice a vessel's draft. Option B, water depth of less than 1 to half times a vessel's draft. Option C, under nil clearance of twice a vessel's draft. Option D, under nil clearance of less than 10 feet. The correct answer is option A, water depth of less than twice a vessel's draft. Which engineering staff is in charge of engine room maintenance? Option A, second engineer, option B, chief engineer, option C, third engineer, and option D, master. The correct answer is option A, second engineer. Physical stress. Option A, rarely causes emotional stress. Option B, is often a symptom of emotional stress. Option C, rarely is connected to diet, and option D, is often found in people who exercise regularly. The correct answer is option B, is often a symptom of emotional stress. Self-induced stress is mainly due to option A, family, option B, personality, option C, economy, and option D, health. The correct answer is option B, personality. Balancing life goal, taking of thoughts and emotions, and managing schedules are all components of dash. Option A, identifying source of stress. Option B, being practical. Option C, taking control. And option D, coping with stress. The correct answer is option D, coping with stress. One of the most important factors determining the success of an organization is option A, effective management, option B, continuous and positive profits, option C, performance of its employees, and option D, methods to combat internal personal stress. The correct answer is option C, performance of its employees. In order to comply with safety policies and procedure, ship's crew and officers must option A, minimize the use of alcohol on board. Option B, focus on delivering the ship and cargo at all costs. Option C, stop unsafe which may cause accidents, injury or environmental pollution. The correct answer is option C, stop unsafe which may cause accidents, injury or environmental pollution. Direct blood contact through all except option A, needle sharing, option B, transfusion, option C, sharing of beds, and option D, accidents in healthcare settings. The correct answer is option C, sharing of beds. When a fuel oil is being topped off during bunkering operations, the tank valve should be closed. Option A, slowly to prevent surge stresses. Option B, to prevent gas from escaping through the pressure vacuum relief valves. Option C, after the shore pumps are stopped. And option D, rapidly to prevent overflow. The correct answer is option C, after the shore pumps are stopped. Oil pollution regulations: any transfer or discharge of oil or oily mixtures be recorded in the option A, pollution control record, option B, bridge log, option C, oil record book, and option D, master's log. The correct answer is option C, oil record book. Comminuted or ground garbage which will be discharged into sea must be able to pass through a screen with a mesh size no longer than option A, 25 millimeters, option B, 50 millimeters, and option C, 75 millimeters, and option D, 100 millimeters. The correct answer is option A, 25 millimeters. During fueling operations, which of the listed precautions should be taken when topping off fuel tanks? Option A, reduce the pumping rate by closing the duct filling valve. Option B, close all overflow valves. Option C, place 5-gallon containers under all flange connections in the fuel line. Option D, reduce the pumping rate and sound tanks frequently. The correct answer is option D, reduce the pumping rate and sound tanks frequently. Answering signals made by life-saving stations. Which signals seen from a ship by day are? Option A, orange smoke signal. Option B, parachute rocket. Option C, hand flare. And option D, black ball. The correct answer is option A, orange smoke signal. Wearing a life jacket, what will be a maximum safe height above the water that you can jump from? Option A, 4.5 meters or 15 feet. Option B, 4 meters or 30 feet. Option C, 3 meters or 10 feet. And option D, 3.6 meters or 12 feet. The correct answer is option A, 4.5 meters or 15 feet. A line throwing appliance is used. Option A, to pick up a survival in the water. Option B, to bring a life raft in the water close to the ship. Option C, to make a connection between a distressed ship and a safe and ship to pass towing line. Option D, to connect to a lifeboat in the water. The correct answer is option C, to make a connection between a distressed ship and a safe and ship to pass towing line. How often should immersion suits and thermal protective aids be inspected? Option A, daily. Option B, bi-weekly. Option C, weekly. And option D, monthly. The correct answer is option D, monthly. The person steering the ship when required is option A, able seaman, option B, cadet, option C, third officer, and option D, second officer. The correct answer is option A, able seaman. What is the difference between net tonnage and gross tonnage? Option A, net tonnage is the gross tonnage less certain deductible spaces. Option B, net tonnage is tonnage of cargo compared to tonnage of whole ship. Option C, net tonnage is the gross tonnage minus engine and bunker spaces. Option D, net tonnage is the net weight of the ship. The correct answer is option A, net tonnage is the gross tonnage less certain deductible spaces. The ISM code requires work procedures which ensures dash performance. Option A, superior. Option B, profitable. And option C, safe. And option D, excellent. The correct answer is option C, safe. The poop deck is located. Option A, adjacent to the steering flat. Option B, forepart of the ship. Option C, above the bridge. And option D, above the engine room. The correct answer is option A, adjacent to the steering flat. As a watchstander, when should you relieve your prior watchstander? Option A, 30 to 50 minutes before the start of your watch. Option B, 5 minutes before your watch. And option C, on time. Option D, 1 hour before your watch starts. The correct answer is option A, 30 to 50 minutes before the start of your watch. Friends, make sure that you go through the next part of this video section. I wish you all the best for your exam.